Hello all, today in this video we are going to see and searching of an element in an sorted array. For that we are making a definition. So the definition is considering of four variables like the array, low, high and key, and within that we are determining the mid location, which is determined by a formula of additioning low plus high, which is divided by 2, and we are making some if conditions. So if key equals array of integer mid, then the result should return mid, or if it is greater than this array of integer mid, means we have to return the binary search definition with the array mid plus 1, then high, then key. If it is less than, means we have returning binary search only with array low, then mid minus 1 and key, then finally we are returning 0. Then this binary search definition we are used within an array to find or search an any element. For that we are determining an array. So this is the determining array which we have used here. We are going to search 6. Key is 6, no, so we are going to search 6 from this array. So n is nothing but the length of the array. So for array we will be counting like not 1 2 3 4 5 6 0, that is the place or the location, 0 1 2 3 4 5 only. So 6 it is found in the 5 index only, because 0 from 0 only it will count. So since we are having 6 entries, the index is 5. So if we are giving some other number, for example 5 means, and now we can run, in that case the index will be 4. So this is the output for searching an element from the array. In the next video we will be coming with some other series regarding this array. Thank you.